don't see a ton of rotation on it. There's no reason to think there couldn't be. Wow. Might seriously have to go inside here in a minute though. What is going on over there? Yeah, that mesocyclone is rotating. It's not like the fastest rotation ever, but it's moving. I actually think this could do it. It doesn't have a lot of time to put down a tornado, but the ingredients are here that if this puts down a tornado, it could be a strong one. It really could be. The SPC didn't have a hatch wrist out for today, but they've been wrong before. This is a mean storm. Oh wow, yeah, you can clearly see it rotating. So that's some of the clearest rotation I've seen. It's a merry-go-round up there. The fact that you can see it so visibly from this far away. That and the lightning barrage just might actually do it. Clearest meso I've seen in years. At least in terms of how strong the rotation is. Oh, there's a wall cloud. That's what that is, I think. It might actually do it. Be right under that, I think. Or would it be to the... No, it'd be to the right, wouldn't it be? If it puts one down. I don't know, it'll be somewhere under there. Yeah, I think you can see what's going on. It's hitting it with a huge burst of outflow, and that's causing the rotation to ramp up, but it'll also undercut it here in a minute. So, it's got however long to put down a tornado before it gets completely outflow dominant. It's a good green hue and all the lightning over there. Oh, this is pulling an inflow. If it could pull enough inflow in to balance out the outflow production it's putting out, then things were going to get really bad. See how fast that's moving. It's interesting how flat the base is up there. I wonder if there is some stable air here, maybe a bit of an EML. That might be why it's not outflow dominant yet. It's a little close for comfort. It seems like the rotation's calmed down a little bit, actually. That wall cloud's getting really big. Is that a lowering in there? Oh, wow. Jeez, that was close. What is that? Is that rotating? I think the wall cloud's rotating more than that is. No, they're both rotating. Okay. This might do it, for real. Might be about to put down a tornado right there. I don't see a tornado down yet. Wow, look at that. It's not a tornado siren, it's a dumbass siren because I'm still outside.
Yeah.
Alright. This is crazy. Alright, we really need to get inside.
Could just go through it and hit us anyway, so if
I
you're
guess.
be outside.
Alright, I just want to see the mezzo real quick and then we'll go right back inside. We'll be out here for like 2 minutes max. This is crazy. And we're stupid. Jesus Christ, look how dark it is. Yeah, there's the wall cloud. Alright. Alright, we saw it. Oh my god, look how fast that's moving.
That is neat.
Okay, we saw it.
That's beautiful.
Yeah, that's the mesocyclone. If there was a tornado down, it'd be like right there.
It's gorgeous.
Yeah.
Look at these clouds coming up.
It's also very dangerous. We're being very stupid right now. Oh my god.
That tree blow.
Yeah.
You have an idea what mile per hour wind that is?
Should be 70 to 80 is what the radar said. Wow.
Oh, that tree looks like it's just gonna snap.
Yeah, this is some fast wind. They were not wrong about the hurricane force wind gust expectation.
Tree will be fine.
Yeah,
I know it will, it's just impressive.
the tree should survive this just fine. There's somebody walking out there in this.
I don't see
Down
him.
the road,
Yeah, he was just down the road walking across the street.
he's probably getting a dog.
Yeah, or something.
Well, there's a guy sitting outside earlier with a dog, so.
Yeah.
I really hope no dogs left outside in this.
So running across the street.
Oh, you see him? He's out again?
Yeah, he went. I guess he went to the left and he went back to the right.
I don't see him.
He kind of
Dog or the
disappeared.
person?
Huh?
Dog or the person?
Oh, the person.
Oh my god.
The dog would be impossible to tell if you got to get mixed in with all the leaves.
Darla, get back from the door.
That's smart, at least she wants to see. To stop playing to get up to see what was going on.
Yeah. This might be the fastest wind I've ever seen. I'm not sure.
She
Hey,
said
Carolyn.
she's really happy she's on inside out.
Yeah.
Yeah. My phone's not even picking it up very well. Because the screen door's all, got so much water on it. I'm surprised we still haven't seen any hail yet. It's okay, Mesa. It's okay. There's not a tornado risk anymore.
I went and calmed down. They're just now driving to Robert, it looks like.
Well, I guess they were late. Yeah, they got out storm chased by a local.
Yeah. Yeah. These two play all day and they sleep really good at night.
Well, that's good.
Yeah.
Oh, the wind's back up.
Boy, it is.
Oh, there it is.
I heard it. What size is it?
I can't see yet. There's not a ton of them, there's just a few. But yeah, I've been waiting for that for like the past 10 minutes. Oh wow, they are bouncing too.
Are Are they?
Yeah. Stand up and come look if you want. They're getting some height. When they hit the ground, they hit it hard. They're not super big. They're not baseballs for sure. But they are hitting the ground hard.
Oh, I see, yeah.
Yeah, they look to be more like quarter size at the moment.
Yeah.
They could get bigger though.
Yeah, I've seen that.
No, Darla. Darla, get back from the door. I know, she's doing what we're doing, but... Yeah, I'm not really leading by example right now, I know.
No, I said she's looking in the window.
Oh, okay, yeah.
You were looking in the window.
Yeah, no, I was not. Yeah, no baseballs yet. The hail's kind of small, but it's hitting hard.
Yeah.
My phone probably doesn't need to get super wet anyway. Look at that. Crazy mamadas. My car got leaf blasted. That is a very red cloud in front of us. But yeah, see what I mean?